While it's not legally required in Kansas to hire a probate lawyer after the passing of a loved one, it still may be a good idea. For one thing, a probate attorney will have significant insight into the process, which is something most folks don't have. Furthermore, if you do something wrong in the proceedings, the liability is on you. Considering all the complicated paperwork, financial obligations, and time-sensitive deadlines, many people just don't want that kind of responsibility. Additionally, the person in charge of an estate, the executor or administrator, likely has their own grief to deal with and may not want the additional stress. With that said, plenty of estates are simple enough to go through probate without a lawyer. If all the assets can be transferred outside of probate, then the probate lawyer won't be necessary. This includes assets held in joint tenancy or those that named a beneficiary, such as a retirement account or a life insurance policy. Really, the individual in charge is the one who should determine if or when professional advice is needed. Some circumstances that may require outside help include the case of family members threatening to contest a will, business dealings that weren't complete when the individual passed away, the need for a guardian for a minor child or a disabled adult, if there's a shortfall of assets to cover debts owed by the estate, complications with taxes, or assets not properly owned by an existing trust. If the situation isn't overly complex, you may only need the probate attorney to consult with you or review a few documents. It may only take a few hours to get things in proper order. However, if things are looking particularly complicated, it's probably a good idea to gather up all your materials and sit down with an experienced attorney for your personal protection and peace of mind. Call our office today to learn how to best move forward in the fastest and most cost-effective way.